Got a SAAB 9.3 here. Let's say you lost your key. How are you going to get this thing to ever start again? Well, you got to get a new SIM module, which is this, and the matching key. So go to find somebody on Craigslist or Facebook that's parting out a car and get their key and SIM like that. And then you gotta replace it and take it to the dealer and get the computer flashed. Well, how do you replace it? Well, you're gonna have to take out your airbag. Make sure to unhook your battery before you pull the airbag out. And hopefully you're fortunate enough to have the wheel locked in this position and not straight. Otherwise it's going to be a real pain to get the airbag out. But what you do is you basically have to go back here, and there's these little holes right there that go through. You're going to have to stick a screwdriver through there, and you see these little clips right here. Basically, this is the back of the airbag, and these right here clip in right here around those clips, and you just got to push it in, and that allows the airbag to come forward. So I had to kind of bend my screwdriver a little bit, stuck it in there, got the one side loose, but I couldn't get my screwdriver in the top here. So what I ended up doing is taking a pry bar, and I pried right here as much as I could until I could finally look down between here, and I could see the little clip, the top of the clips right here. And I just took my screwdriver and my bigger screwdriver here, and I just pushed it down until it popped out. So the next thing that you're going to have to do is take this screw right here out, okay? So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be back. Alright, now that we've got that bolt out, we are going to draw a little line right here so you know where that goes when you put it back on. Alright, now this is probably the most important part right here. Right there, you can see a little ball and an arrow right here. When you take the steering wheel off and this unplugs here, do not move this out of where it was. Like, don't rotate it at all. You need that to be exactly where it was. And now you're going to look on your new one, and you want to make sure that it's in the same spot. You can see as you turn it here, the ball moves. So you want that to be right where your other one was. See it moving all around all over the place here. So let's get ours back in location. Alright, now we're going to get this unhooked. Basically this just has little clips in the back. So I already stuck the screwdriver in the bottom here and kind of pried those out. And I'm going to try to work the other ones here in the top. There we go. Kind of work the top here. Kind of difficult to do with one hand, so I'm going to put you down, pull this out, and then come back. Alright, now that we've got this pulled out of the way, the next step is to undo these two clips here, and then you can just pull this right off. So I'm going to try to look down in here. You can see the clip right there. You got to undo that one and the one on the bottom. I'm just going to stick a screwdriver under there and pull them out. Alright, there it is. This is the clip that slides in the back. These just, this red thing slides in. I don't really want to put it back in until I clip my new one on, but basically just stick a screwdriver down here and pry this out, and it just pops these clips right off. So the other thing is this came off pretty hard, so I just busted that bottom clip off. I'm not going to keep this because I don't have a key for it. So I just broke the clip right off, and then this other one pried up and popped off a lot easier that way. So that is about it. I'm gonna put this back together, put it on the dolly, and take it to the dealer to get the computer reflashed. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. That would help me out a lot. So, hope all goes well. Hope you get your car running.